Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Imran Haq. Today we are diving into something really fun, a custom image slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Whether you are building website or showcasing your favorite photos, having a beautiful image slider can make huge difference. And the best part is it's easier than you think. Okay, this is the preview of what we are gonna build in that particular tutorial. Okay, let's head back to the code. Okay, first create index.html and then create style.css. After that, index.js and head back to the index.html. Okay, and create HTML code snippet. Okay, remove the document title and create slider and then link the style.css and index.html file. After that, I'll link script index.js file and HTML. Okay, now create a div. Within div, provide a class name, call slider, slide show container. Okay, within that, provide slides and fade, two classes. After that, create an image. Okay, and provide the source of image src, and it will be images slash slider 1.jpg and alternative text of slider 1. Okay, and after that, simply copy and paste for 6 times, and then rename image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, and finally image 6. Okay, and then change the alternative text of image as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally 6. Don't worry, you will get all the images in the public folder. After that, okay, create the two anchor text. So one is prep and another one is next. Okay, and then so create the dots class. Within that, create a span, provide dot. Okay, and provide one event called on click. Within that, we are gonna pass the one function called current slider and copy it for the system as well, and change the number as well. After all of that, I think we're done with the HTML. Okay, let's head back to style.css file. Provide the global style, box sizing, border box, and then slide show container. Within that, okay, let's make sure. Okay, this is slide show container. Within that, provide max width 200 1200 pixels and position. I think position will be relatives, and then padding top 20 pixel, and okay, after complete this and prep and target the prep, and before targeting prep and next, I'll move to slides first. Slides image, when we set the image width to 1012 to 200 pixel and height 500 pixel and border radius 20 pixel, box shadow 10 pixel for X, 10 pixel for Y, and 20 pixel for alpha, and finally provide color gray. After the image, okay, let's target next and prep. Okay, let's make sure once again prep and next, this is correct. Last name, and then okay, position, I think position, yes, position absolute top, yes, top 50%, padding 60 pixel, margin top minus 20 pixel, and then width auto. Okay, and then what, transition, for transition I think, yes, providing transition to as aging. After that, what will be next? Okay, font size 30 pixel and font weight bold, and then border radius, I think for the no, the 0 pixel for left, right, bottom, left, and then bottom right. Okay, user select is none. The next folder, position absolute, right 0, border 6 pixel, 0 0 and 6 pixel. So okay, let's move to the dots and let's select the dots, and then position absolute and provide text align center first. So and then bottom 10 pixel, left 43 fix, not 43%, and then select dot, single dot. So single dot, I think width 50 pixel, height 15 pixel, and then border radius 50%. Okay, black background color HBBB, margin 0 and 2, top down 2, left right 2 pixel, top down 0 and left right 2 pixel. Okay, transition to S and H. Okay, and I'm going to provide the class for active class, background color 70 70 and 70. Okay, and select the next, and hover over the next button, next and okay, next hover and previous, and change the background color, and hover over next and previous and change the background color of it. Okay, 7D 7B and 7B. Okay, after that select the fade color and provide the animation name, and fade animation duration. Animation duration will be 2s, and all of that. After all of that, and create keyframes, and from and to, from opacity 0.5 to opacity 1. After, so okay, let's make sure everything's correct or not. Okay, first great. Select slides. Okay, and provide display none. So okay, move to index. So everything's okay. Okay, move to index.js file. Okay, first let's select all the slides. Document.query selector, get elements class name. Okay, slides. It will select all the slides, and also for dots, document.get elements by class name for all dots. Okay, and create one variable called that slides in function flash slides. Okay, now let's make sure name of the slides flash slides, and we'll get one number and show slide. Okay, I'll create it later. Show slide fast, that slides index into the show slides function, and create another function called current slide. Okay, we will also receive a profs number, and also pass this profs into the show slides. After all of that, create a function show slides. Okay, we will receive number. If number is greater than slides dot length, then we will slides index equal 1. If number is less than 1, then slides index will be slides dot length. Okay, and then for let equal 0, I less than slides dot length, and I plus plus. Okay, slides I. Okay, we are selecting each of the slides and disable and display none it. Okay, you're selecting each of the slides. Same things for dot as well. Dot equals to I less than slides So dots dot length and I plus plus. After that, dots and selecting the single dot and class name. We are over providing the class name for dot dot I dot class name dot replace active with null. Okay, I think you got it what I'm trying to say. After the slide, on all of those things is correct, and your slides dot index -1 dot style dot display block. Okay, so after one by one we are showing the slides in the browser. Okay, dot slide index class name dot plus equal, you're adding the active class when anyone click in the dots button. Okay, so I think we're missing something. Okay, let's remove slides. Now it's showing. So okay, let's head back to there. Okay, now it's showing perfect. Oh, still you're missing something. Okay, let's move to standard CSS. Okay, margin 0, top bottom 0, left right auto. Okay, now it will be perfect. Now correct. So still it has something. No, so I think it has something missing. So okay, let's fix that one first. Okay. Still it has missing something. Still I'm missing something. Okay, I forgot to call the function show slide functions. By the way, I'm sorry. Fastest index. Okay, and provide the color of the next and ref. Okay, color white, and then fix another things in dot. It will be display inline block. Okay, now move to there. Showing still I'm missing something. Okay, removes s from dots. Okay, now it's working perfect. So I think everything's, so let's show the preview of everything's working exact what you seen, what you have seen in the preview of slider. Okay, so see you next, and if you don't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and never forget to like this video. Bye.